Welcome to RedTeam Go. I'm George. We're sending out invitations to bid for our project. Before sending out invitations, we need to make sure the drawings and any relevant documents are available in the plan room. Also, the trade note should be added to the bidding worksheet. This information will be available to the subs to make an estimate. Open bidding on the left and invitations from the drop-down. The first time you open this section, the set filter will pop up. Go to the right corner to open the filter again. Set the reminders on or off and the hours prior to the due date. The zip code is pulled from the project information. Select the radius around the zip code. You have more options to filter subs by clicking the right arrow on the Other Filters bar. Sub rankings and others items are listed in the contacts under Qualifications. Also, if you've created a tag to identify those to invite, the options will populate as you type. Click Apply to filter the invite list. To save the filter elements you selected for future use, click Manage Templates. Click the radio button beside Save As and enter a title, or click the circle next to an existing template and save. Verify the bid due date and the time. Clicking Expand All opens all cost codes to show invited subs, and you can search for subs with the search box. Hovering on the row with the cost code opens 3 selection tabs on the right. Add Invitees opens a selection of all contacts available to perform this task. Select from the list by hovering over the contact and clicking the plus sign to the left of the sub company. The Remove All tab, it will. Clicking Send All sends the invites to the group under the cost code. Hovering on the row with the subs opens the Company/Bid and Remove tabs. The Company tab opens a page with all of the items this company is bidding on. Contact information can be updated from this page. Click Edit Contact On to change contact information. Click on Manage Trades/Cost Codes to update trades available. And if this contact does not work with bids, uncheck this box. And you can resend invitations from this screen. Click Done to leave. Before we send these out, let's check the invitation email. You can make changes to the default email subject and body text from here. And attachments can be sent with the invitations. The default email is stored in the Admin tab, and you can go back to the original by clicking Restore Default. Click Save for any changes. Now go back to Invitation List and we'll send these out. Do you want to proceed? These emails are sent one at a time. Each invitation is addressed to an individual bidder, and it may take a few minutes for all of them to be sent. We can see replies and invitation responses. The settings will let you arrange the columns on the screen. The filter narrows the visible bids, and Print has 3 reports available. The Bid Invitation Detail Report is interactive by checking different options and clicking Apply at the top. Let's look at the email we sent and how bids are viewed by the subs. The invite should look exactly like we set it up. You can see the info has been individualized. By clicking the blue hyperlink, opens a separate page. This doesn't require a login or password, and it can be opened from the link until the bid due date has passed. Subs can view the plan room items and have an option to download items. Clicking on a sheet opens a browser tab and doesn't require any additional apps. Clicking View Bid Items lists the cost codes for this sub specifically. They will see any trade notes from the worksheets on this page. They have the option of uploading a quote with their information from here. And they must still submit the bid amounts for each item they want to bid on. Once submitted, a quote is generated for the sub to download for their records. That's it for the sub. Back in our site, the information has been updated. We can see when the bid was submitted, if it was viewed in the email, attachments sent from the sub, and on the end is the server and delivery status. This lets us know if the email failed or was sent successfully. By clicking on the company name to the left, we can see company information. This is the same page we saw from the invitation list tab. Now we can go back to the bidding worksheet and we'll see the gavel icons. Click on the gavel and all bids received for this cost code are listed. You can add an adjustment amount. And to select this sub, click on the blue net bid. This will lock the cost code from changes and stores this sub to write a subcontract later in the process. Continue working with the bidding worksheet to complete the estimate. For more information on the bidding invitations, you can use the tour features on each page. And for this and any RedTeam Go questions, go to the Learning Center from the Profile tab in the right corner. Thank you.